Hello there, Professor. It's me, Chris, and here is the recording for Lab 4, the image transfer between a client and a server, also multi-threaded. So, right here we have our local asynchronous client setup. I have a client class for the event handler when we run those actions, and here's my client, which has just been modified from Lab 3. Same with my server, slight modification to handle images, which will be right here inside this images folder. As you can see, this is a test, this is another test. So, for starters, let's just get this server running. Excellent. And now, right here, we can run the Java code for my client and open up the GUI. Here's the GUI, just the same as before, except we have a get images with the IP port and a label on this side, which you will see briefly. Now, when there is a bad connection, it'll list bad connection. I have some errors right there, of course. The default right here is localhost with port 5000. However, the server is running on port 5001. So we will change that right here. And when we do that, we're able to get the images after client connection. And by clicking on Get Images again, we're able to cycle through the different images inside of the folder. As simple as that. Now, we can stop this server right here. We still hold the images, of course. And right here, I'm going to start up my SSH to my Raspberry Pi here in my house. I believe it was in server, just the same as my other one, right there. Same classes, also inside of images. We have a folder of images inside of here that we're going to want at the beginning on side of this client. So let's start this server. It's running on default port 5000. So if we were to change that right here and log into the correct IP address, you're able to get the images on the server, different from the other images that I had over here. And just clicking to be able to shift through these every time. I will be testing this with another friend of mine to make sure that his will work, and I will be sending you the class diagram as well. You have a good night, sir. Bye-bye.